Good morning to all. My name is S. Suraj. I am from CSMC section. Today I am going to presenting a video presentation on topic if else statements in C language. Let us discuss about what are conditional statements. Decisions in programming. Conditional statements allow programs to make decisions based on specific condition, enabling dynamic behavior. Execute code based on conditions. Different code blocks run depending on whether a condition is true or false. Controlling programming flow. Types in C. If statement, nested if else statement, switch statement. We can observe a decision flow in the slide. Now let us discuss about if statement. Basic decision making. The if statement is the simplest form of decision making in C, allowing programs to respond to conditions. Second one, checks if condition is true. It evaluates a condition and execute the code block only if the condition evaluates true. Only one path. There is only one execution path. If the condition is false, nothing happens and the program continues. Now let us discuss simple if example. You can observe C code step by step and visual flow in the slide. Now let us discuss about if else statement. Handles two possibilities. The if else statement provides two alternative paths, one for true and one for false conditions. True path or false path. The condition determines which block executes, ensuring one path is always taken. Always execute one block. Unlike the simple if, the if else guarantees the one of the two blocks will always execute. Perfect for yes or no decisions. Ideal for binary decisions like is the user eligible or is the password correct. You can see the if else flow in the slide and observe the code. Now see the if else example. Now let us discuss about nested if else. If statement inside another if. Nested if else allows you to place an if statement inside another if block, creating hierarchical decision making. Multiple levels of checking. This structure enables multiple levels of condition where each level refines the decision based on the previous results. Used for complex decisions. Perfect for scenarios requiring multiple related conditions like grading systems or categorization. We can observe nested flow diagram in this slide. We can see the nested up example grade checker in this slide. See code decision path and decision tree. Now let us discuss about avoiding mistakes commonly. Forgetting brackets for multiple line code, using instead of, and missing semicolon after statements, too many nested levels. Without brackets, only the first statement after if is part of the conditional block. And using instead of is for assignment, is for comparison, using can lead to behavior. Missing semicolon after statements. Every statement in C must end with a semicolon. Missing semicolons cause implementation errors. Too many nested levels. Deep nesting makes code hard to read and maintain it quickly becomes confusing and error prone. Now let us discuss our practice and summary. Key takeaways. If single condition check and if else two possible paths and nested multiple decision levels. If single condition check, use when you only need to handle the true case, the false case is ignored, and if else two possible paths, perfect for binary decisions where you need to handle both true and false cases. Nested multiple decision levels, Use for complex conditions with multiple levels. Keep nesting to 2 to 3 levels maximum. Thank you.